In this video, we begin the process of looking at tables. So first thing, I've got a document open. I'm going to position my insertion point where I would like a table to occur. And just push the return key a couple of times and be ready to put that table in. Now, one strange little trick that will make your life much better: always have room above and below the table. So here I have 3 of these paragraph marks. I'm going to click right in front of the first one to put in my table. Now, on my toolbox, or my toolbar at the top rather, I have the ability just to click the table button and I can build a table, any size I want it. There is some sort of a maximum. Looks like 41 by 41 is as big as it will let me go. I don't need anything that big. For right now, I think 3 columns will do the job. So I've got a 3 by 3 table included. With the Show Hide button turned on, these little sunshine things will show that there is a table cell there. Now, I'm just going to put some information in here about the table. So this would be, part number and description, not descriptin. I love spell check. For all that it doesn't know the difference between public and pubic, it really saves a lot of time and trouble. So a price tag on this one, and I'm just going to continue hitting tab, and the tab is going to take me to the next one, which is going to be part number 2204. Tabbing over, build K. Typing is no good this morning. And this one's going to have a $sign and going to sell for $14.95. Kind of a dirty little trick I'm going to show you next. I'm going to come in and I'm going to say this is 2205, but since each of these cells is going to contain yes you can build, I'm just going to copy this, Command C, paste it here. Now, I need a little bit more room, so I'm going to tab, and I'm running out of room in the table. If I tab again, it will add one more row to my table. So this one is 2206 for the part number. Yes, you can build a, and then I come up here and say, well, you can build a doghouse. And then I'll just drop right straight down, and you can build a birdhouse. Now, the price of each of these is the same, so I'll just copy my $14.95 and paste it in. Doesn't really matter if you do it this way or type everything up. It just gives you the chance to make some additional places to avoid having to type, I think is probably the best term. Now, if I would like to format this, I've got a lot of possibilities here for formatting, and I'm not going to use pretty much any of them. There is this thing that says Quick Tables, and it would give me all kinds of really strange looks. I guess I have to make sure that I have my entire table selected. There I go, that little handle up here in the corner. And I could make any sort of these changes that I wanted. Most of them would look bad. Let me undo those and talk about formatting it ourselves. Life will be easier that way. So I think I would like to have my header row. I'm just going to make my selection across so. Command B for bold. I think I like that. I think I would like to have this column centered. So that's a Command E to center. I think this column might look better if I moved it over to the right-hand margin. That's a little bit fancier. I can adjust the width of this by sliding these in place. And I can even adjust the overall width of the column. Have to get the mouse pointer lined up just right, and I could bring that to about here. I think I'm liking this. There's some possibilities here for me. Now, I could pick this table up and move it by coming to this selection handle. Notice how my mouse pointer turns to the move button, and I could pick it up and move it pretty much wherever I wanted it to go.